Hi, in this video I am going to discuss multiplexer and its types. Multiplex means many into one. It is a combinational circuit with many inputs and only one output. The multiplexer is also called data selector. It is a digital switch. It allows digital information from several sources to be routed onto a single output line. The basic multiplexer has several data input lines and a single output line. Then the selection of a particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. The selection lines are also called as select inputs or control inputs. This is a block diagram representation of multiplexer. Here we have 2 power n data input lines and n number of selection lines and single output. Then which input is directed to the output side is decided by the selection line combinations. First, let's see about 2 to 1 multiplexer. The multiplexer representation is this one and this is the block diagram. And here 2 to 1 multiplexer, from the name itself we can identify total number of input is 2 and the output is 1. So the two inputs are considered as D0 and D1 and the output is represented as Y, and 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So the one selection line is needed. The selection line is represented as S. Now this is the function table or truth table of 2 to 1 multiplexer. Here we have one selection inputs and one output. The selection input is 1, so we can make two possible combinations. The combinations are 0 and 1. So at 0 conditions we are assuming the input D0 is connected to the output side. So the output Y is represented as S bar D0, and when the input S is equal to 1, we are considering the input D1 is routed to the output side. So the output Y is represented by S D1. So based on the final output is this Y0 plus Y1. This is the final output. Now we are drawing the diagram for this expressions. So at this position we are getting S bar D0, and this position we are getting SD1, and both are added by using OR gate. So our final output expression is S bar D0 plus SD1. Two to one multiplexer with active high enable input. The active high enable input is applied here, and the data inputs are D0, D1, selection input is S, and the output is Y. In the function table, the selection input is either 0 or 1. X represents don't care terms, it's equal to either 0 or 1. And the enable input is low, the multiplexer is deactivated. So in the normal operation mode, the enable input should be 1. So whenever the enable input is 1, the multiplexer is activated. So now S is equal to 0. The D0 input is directed to the output side. So the expression at this position is E S bar D0. And when the selection input S is equal to 1 and enable input is 1, the output is equal to E S D1. And the final output expression is Y is equal to sum of both the combinations. Now the logic diagram representation of 2 to 1 multiplexer with active high enable input. The active high enable input is represented here. So this is the output expression for ES per D naught, and this is the output expression for ES D1, and the final expression we will obtain at this position. Four to one multiplexer. In a 4 to 1 multiplexer, there are 4 data input lines and 1 output line. So we need at least 2 selection lines to select any one of the 4 inputs to the output line. That means the data inputs are 2 power 2. And so 2 selection lines we needed. So this is the block diagram representation with the enable input and without enable input. This is without enable input and this is with enable input block diagram representations. The 4 inputs are considered as D0, D1, D2, D3, and the 2 selection lines are represented by S1, S0, and the single output, that is Y. So here in this enable combination, the one more input enable is applied here. This is the truth table of 4 to 1 multiplexer. The selection lines S0, S1 and the output Y. So the 2 inputs we can make 4 possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So at 0, 0 input combinations, the input D0 is selected. The expression is represented as D0, S0 bar, S1 bar. And when the selection input lines are 0, 1 combinations, the input D1 is directed to the output side. So the output expression at this position is D1, S0 bar and S1. Now 1, 0 combinations, the output is D2. This time the logical expression is D2, S0 and S1 bar. Now selection inputs are 1, 1 combinations. The input D3 is selected. So the expression at this position is D3, S0, S1. So the final expression is the sum of all these combinations. This is the logical diagram for 4 to 1 multiplexer. The selection input S0 and S1 is given here, and the data inputs D0, D1, D2 and D3, and the selection inputs on the uncomplemented form we can take it from this position, and complemented form we can take it from this position. So the output expression at this AND gate is D0, S0, S1 bar. The second AND gate is D1, S0 bar, S1, and here D2, S0, S1 bar, and this fourth AND gate is S3, S0, S1. Now we are adding all these combination by using one 4 input OR gate. So this is the logic diagram representation of 4 to 1 multiplexer. The 4 to 1 multiplexer with active high enable input. So first let's see the function table. So in this function table, whatever the combination is available in the selection lines, the multiplexer is deactivated in enable is 0 condition. When enable is 1, the multiplexer is in normal working mode. So the enable input should be high to make the multiplexer in normal working mode condition. So now the selection line 4 combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and the outputs are D0, D1, D2, D3. So the expression at this position is Y0 is equal to enable input E, S1 bar, S0 bar, enable input and the input D0. So the expressions are here. So these combinations are implemented by AND gates. So here we have four expressions. The four expressions are represented by four AND gates. And here the selection lines S1, S0. In this position we can take uncomplemented form of S1, and this position we can take complemented form of S1. Similarly S0. So the data inputs D0, D1, D2, D3 is represented, and here the enable inputs. The enable input is given to all the gates. So whenever the enable input is high, then only the multiplexer is activated. That is, that condition only the multiplexer will work in normal mode. Otherwise the multiplexer output is always 0. 4 to 1 multiplexer with active low enable input. Active low enable input means whenever the enable input is low, the multiplexer is activated, and the enable input is low, the multiplexer is deactivated. So whatever the combination of selection line is available, the multiplexer output is 0 for enable is equal to 1 condition. Now the enable inputs are 0, 0 for all these combinations. Then now it's working as normal multiplexer mode. So 0, 0 condition, D0 input is selected, 0, 1 combination, D1 input is selected, and 1, 0 combination, D2 is selected, and 1, 1 combination, D3 is selected. And now the enable input is applied through an inverter. So whenever input is 0, enable input is 0, the output at this position becomes 1, and the 1 is applied to all the AND gates. So the enable input is controlling controlling all the 4 AND gates. Now the expressions at each position is represented, and here the uncomplemented S1 is getting at this position, and complemented S1 is obtained from here. Similarly for S0, uncomplemented S0 expressions we can obtain from here, and complemented S0 expressions are obtained from this position. And D0, D1, D2, D3, these are the 4 inputs, and we are giving all the 4 AND gates outputs to the input of 4 input OR gate. We will get the final expressions at this position. This is the logic diagram representation of 4 to 1 multiplexer. 8 to 1 multiplexer. In this multiplexer, we need 8 data input lines and one output lines. The 8 data input is represented as 2 power 3. So we need 3 selection lines. So the 3 selection lines are represented as A, B, C, and the data input 8 data inputs are represented as D0 to D7, and the single output is represented as Y. This is the block diagram representation of 8 to 1 multiplexer. This is the truth table of 8 to 1 multiplexer. The 3 inputs are considered as 3 selection input lines are considered as A, B, C, and output Y. So 0, 0, 0 combination input D0 is selected. 0, 0, 1 combination input D1 is selected. Similarly, all the input data are selected based on the selection lines, and 1, 1, 1 D7 is selected. Now the expression at this position is A bar, B bar, C bar, and D0. This position the expression is A bar, B bar, C, D1. Here the expression is A bar, B, C bar, D2. Here A bar, B, C, D3. Here A, B bar, C bar, D4. Here A, B bar, C, D5. Here A, B, C bar, D6. Here A, B, C, D7. This way we can write the expressions for all the 8 outputs, and finally the output Y is equal to combination of all these outputs. This is the logic diagram for 8 to 1 multiplexer. The selection inputs are ABC and the 8 inputs D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 is represented here and the single output Y. And here at this position uncomplemented inputs are obtained and this position complemented inputs are obtained, that is here A, here A bar. Similarly, here this position we will get B, here B bar, here C, here C bar. So the expression at each AND gate is represented. Then finally all the AND gates outputs are ORed together with the OR gate. And here we will get the final output expression. This way we can implement, that means we can draw the logic diagram for 8 to 1 multiplexer. Quadruple 2 to 1 line multiplexer. Here the two inputs are A and B and the selection lines also, enable line is also available. Here active high enable input is applied. So whenever the enable input is low, all outputs are 0. And one selection line, here when S is equal to 0, input A is selected, and when S is equal to 1, input B combinations are selected. This is the function table for quadruple 2 to 1 line multiplexer. Now let's see how to implement 8:1 multiplexer with 2 4:1 multiplexer and 1 2:1 multiplexer. So here the two 4:1 multiplexers are represented here and 1 2:1 multiplexer is represented here. So the selection lines S0 and S1 is common for all these two multiplexers, and the third selection line S2 is here. This third selection line S2 is used to control the whole operations. That means when S2 is equal to 0, the multiplexer 1 is selected to the output side, and when S2 is equal to 1, the multiplexer 2 is activated and it is connected to the output side. So now here the multiplexer 1 have the 4 inputs are I0 to I3 and multiplexer 2 have the 4 inputs are I4 to I7. Now the total inputs are 8. Now S2 is 0. So the multiplexer 1 is activated. Now S0, S1 is the selection lines. Now 0 0 combination I0 is selected. 0 1 combinations I1 is selected. 0 1 0 combination I2 is selected. 1 1 combination I3 is selected. Similarly, the multiplexer 2 also working. Now S2 is equal to 1, multiplexer 2 is activated. So now the selection lines S1 S0 is 0 0, I4 is selected, 0 1, I5 is selected, 1 0, I6 is selected, and 1 1 combination I7 is selected. So based on that, it's routed to the output side Y. This is the working of 8:1 multiplexer implementation. Design 16:1 multiplexer with 2 8:1 multiplexer and 1 2:1 multiplexer. Here the two multiplexers are represented here. The total inputs are 16. So the 16 inputs are divided into two parts. Here for multiplexer 1, the inputs are I0 to I7, and the multiplexer 2, the inputs are I8 to I15. So now the total inputs are 16 and the single output Y is here, and 1 2:1 multiplexer is here. Now the selection lines S0, S1, S2 is common for both the multiplexer. Now the S3, this selection line S3 is controlling the whole operation. So when S3 is equal to 0, multiplexer 1 is activated. So the inputs I0 to I7 is routed to the output by using the selection lines. Similarly, when S3 is equal to 1, multiplexer 2 is activated, and now the inputs 8 to 15 is directed to the output side based on the control inputs. So this is the working of 16:1 multiplexer implementation. Thank you.